Next is mean life. So mean life is the time interval in which the number of undecayed atoms become 1 by e times of the original number of atoms. Okay, means initially if the number of nuclei are n naught, in one mean life the number of nuclei present will become n naught by e. We have this formula: half life is equals to 0.693 by lambda, and 1 by lambda is equals to mean life. Mean life is represented by the symbol tau. So we have this formula: mean life is equals to 1 by lambda. Okay, so mean life is about 44 times more than that of half life. Just follow this calculation. So you will get mean life is equals to half life divided by 0.693, that is 1.44 into half life. So your mean life is 1.44 times half life, means it is 44% more than the half life. Okay, so next we will solve some numericals. uh, the fraction of the total amount of radioactive element that decays in 20 hours is 1 by 16. Okay, so we are supposed to find the half life. So first of all, how many, okay, uh, the fraction which has decayed is 15 by 16. Initially, let's say n naught number of nuclei were present. N naught is the number of nuclei present initially. Okay, now it is given according to the question that in 20 hours the fraction of total amount of radioactive element that decays is, means 15 by 16 and not has decayed. 15 and not by 16 number of nuclei have decayed. Okay, decayed. So number of nuclei present. So number of nuclei still present in the sample will be difference between these two. That will be n naught minus 15 n naught by 16. So we'll get 1 by 16 n naught. Okay. Now we are supposed to find the half life. As I told you, we have a formula: n is equals to n naught divided by 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of half lives. Let me clear this one. So we have the number of nuclei present as 1 by 16 n naught, and the formula we have: n is equals to n naught divided by 2 raised to power n. So in place of n, just substitute n naught by 16. So n naught will get cancelled. We know 2 raised to power 4. So we are getting, sorry, we are getting 1 by 16 is equals to 1 by 2 raised to power n, or 2 raised to power n is equals to 16. Okay, 16 is also 2 raised to power 4. So from here we are getting n is equals to 4. So in 20 hours, the time total taken was 20 hours. In 20 hours, there are 4 half lives. So one half life is 20 divided by 4, that is 5 hours. So our answer is B. Okay.